Welcome to this very unprofessional disassembly video of a turbo brush from Laresar V7 vacuum. We are starting with just removing the brush itself. This is like just the same way as for cleaning. And then we are going to unscrew all of the stuff and remove the engine belt cover. Just as a side note, this is video of me assembling the brush, so if my movement feels odd and overall it seems weird, it is weird because I didn't record how I'm disassembling it. I just reverted the video to have anything. I'm not professional. This is full of errors and small mistakes. I even have one loose screw that I forgot to put there and some protection foam. So take this with a grain of salt. This is just a video for those who need to see something, because for some reason there is literally nothing about this particular vacuum in the internet, so I decided to make something. Right now I'm removing screws from the front part where the LED is mounted. We need to remove this to get a full access to the transparent part to later on remove it. It's also slightly overlapping with the engine belt cover. That's why we are unscrewing this. This is just five screws and a bit of a latch mechanism there. Nothing crazy. Once we remove the LED part, we need to remove this extra rubbery wheels because under one of them there is a hidden screw. And after that, just unscrew every screw you see. There should be four closer to the wheels and another four on the brush itself. After unscrewing everything, we need to move to removing the engine belt cover. It's a tricky one. There are 4 latches there on both walls and they are facing different directions. So there is no other trick than just using a lot of power to make this free. I didn't find any like shortcut there. Just put some screwdriver or something else that is hard enough to pry it and just push it. After removing the engine belt cover and all of the screws, we need to move to removing the top cover. It also needs a bit of power because there is a lot of latches there. You should take the screwdriver and pry from the left hand side. On the video you can see there are some marks there from me trying to do this. It's also like require a bit of power in the hand to pray hard enough to make it loose, and then you just need to wiggle it up. It will block on the wheels, so like spread them a little bit and you will make this free eventually. Once you remove the top cover, all of the screws are clearly visible. There are 2 or 3 screws holding the transparent part. Just undo this. There are also screws that are holding the tube in case you need to replace it or something. There are also 2 screws holding the engine mount and another 2 screws holding the engine to the engine mount. And that's basically it. You are going to remove the engine completely. Remember to rotate the engine in the correct direction. There is like a small locking pin on the engine mount body that needs to get into the engine itself to lock this into position. So there are 2 screws and this small plastic pin that needs to go into the right direction. And that's it. Hope this assembly video reverted into disassembly with my commentary. Help you at least a bit. Safe cleaning. Bye.